Ronnie O'Sullivan is going to be
ឥឡូវនេះយើងចាំមើលបាទការទម្លាក់បាទ one by one របស់ Ronnie O'Sullivan បាទ
he led 3-1
ការ set service ឬក៏ការ control service បាទអស់ទេបាទ
ties at 3-all
ខណៈពេលនេះផងដែរគឺបាទ
in front again
ឈានដល់ពិន្ទុ break បាត់ទៅហើយ
Ding won a scrappy frame for 4-all
ចឹងចាំមើលពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទ
missed
Ronnie O'Sullivan
from its spot
បញ្ចប់ពីការជំនួបជាមួយនឹង Ding Junhui
the outset of
ថាតើ
the
បាទ
frame
ជួបជាមួយនឹងកីឡាកររូបណា
91 from that
ពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនបាទរងចាំតាមដានទស្សនា
and now he's
បន្តទៅទៀតឥឡូវនេះយើងបាទតាមដានជាមួយ Ronnie O'Sullivan បញ្ចប់ frame នេះសិនបាទលេង11 frame តែ Ronnie O'Sullivan បាទបញ្ចប់ត្រឹមបាទ frame ទី10បាទអូខេល្អណាស់
I think it's been a break just fueled on
ពិន្ទុកាន់តែខ្ពស់ទៅហើយ
the match was there to be won. He had a horrible
បាទ
through but he wasn't
ជ្រុលទៅ last frame ទៅហើយបាទ Ronnie O'Sullivan គឺដាក់ឲ្យល្អមើលតែម្ដង
That man has got no chance. He's got no say in the matter. This has been superb.
The green.
Very inspirational break.
អូខេ
his dominance
the brown color
continues. It'll be 10 wins out of 12 in their personal head-to-head.
បាទទាញមកវិញ
It looked in doubt at 4-all, but O'Sullivan has finished in
បាទ
one
ណាសល់2គីលីទៅដុកជាមួយនឹង the black color បាទ
and this effort.
ឥឡូវមិនធ្វើអីទេបាទរុញទៅលើកដាលមួយសិនចូលមិនចូលអត់ចូលទេបាទអូហូអត់មួយទំហឹងតែម្ដង congratulations Ronnie O'Sullivan